Hi guys, today I want to talk about this new Insta360 Mic Pro that I've just received from Amazon. So this is the transmitter only version. So you can get the complete version with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver and a few other attachments like the charging case and all that. That retails for about $530. So I've only got the transmitter. The reason being, I believe this is a very good microphone for what it is, and yeah, I think the price is also very good. So previously, I've been using the DJI Mic Mini, just a single microphone. It's a wireless Bluetooth connection, and this has been working really good. Like I've only had few slight issues, to be honest, but nothing major. But when I'm doing motor vlogging, the most important thing after some time becomes the audio. Like the problem becomes the audio. Once I start to travel at speeds at over 60 kilometers an hour, the wind noise really affects the audio quality. So that's why I went for this. So this year, once again, this one retails for $159. I wanted to buy it from my local JB Hi-Fi, but they were all sold out and it was on back order. And Amazon DJI store, they had it in stock and it got shipped like next day with Prime. Yeah. So let's open it up. Let's see what it entails. Okay. Really nice. You can tell that it's like a really good quality box. Okay, so you open it like this. All right, let's get that out of the way. Okay, so this is the transmitter microphone. Oh, it looks really good. I'll try to zoom in. It looks like a quality piece of kit. It does have some weight to it, don't get me wrong. Like compared to DJI Mic Mini, I think maybe double the weight. So I can feel the weight. And the size wise, I would say about 1.5 to two times larger in terms of size. So you can see if I take the dead cat off, I'll just pop that off. Give me a sec. Okay. So yeah, you can clearly see the size difference. Yeah. Yeah, there's a bit of a difference. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. That's that. Okay, what is it? Quick start guide. Okay, we don't need that. We don't need the box. Okay, let's see what's inside this. Oh, there's a pouch. There's another warranty. I think they come with standard 12 months warranty. There's another box just empty. Okay, we don't need that. So much paperwork. Insta360 Think Bold sticker. That's nice. Okay, another, what is it? Safety guidelines. All right. Now the pouch. Oh, that's pretty strong. That's pretty strong. That's rubbish. Okay, so it's got this like a soft pouch. Insta360. Let's open it up. What else is in there? Got USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, charging cable or connection cable. Okay. And then what's this? This should be the dead cat. Oh no, what's wrong with this? They're very well sealed and packaged. I'm having trouble opening it. Alright, let's see. Okay, this is the dead cat. This is the outdoor dead cat. So when you see this color, this is usually for outdoor usage. So motor vlogging, cycling, any outdoor activities. The black ones are usually for indoors. So that's actually really nice. We'll put it on. I think it just goes on top. Let's see. Just clip on top, yeah. Oh, nice. Very nice fit. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder if it's got any. I might need to charge it. Yeah, I think it's dead. Oh no, it turned on. It's on at the moment. That was really good. So I don't know what this button is at the moment. There's a red button. Okay, that's on. That's on. Interesting. Okay. We'll go back to that. What else is there in the pouch? Oh, that's it. Nothing else. It's empty. Okay, so now there's some. What is that? Oh, this is the magnet. Oh, I see. So this is the magnet attachment for to attach it like on your helmet or your t-shirt. Oh man, what? That's a tough one. These magnets are usually very strong from like Insta360. Yeah, I can tell that it's a good quality magnet. This usually attaches to the. Oh, that was what happened there? I just lost it. Flipped out. Okay, that's how strong it is. Yeah, look at that. That's the magnet, and I know that this. I think this slide down to remove. Oh man, how do you? It's pretty tough. I don't want to break it. Oh, that is very tough. I can't even slide it down. Let's try again. It says, oh man, was I supposed to rip that? But I just did anyway. It says slide down to remove, but I couldn't remove it. Interesting. It's very sturdy. Oh, no way. How do you even remove that? Oh, that is tough. Ah, nah. Doesn't remove. What's going on? Ah, nah. How the hell do you remove that? Anyway, I'll leave that. I'll leave that for now. I don't want to wreck the thing. I just got it. So the reason why I got this is there are a couple of reasons. One of the reasons is that on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 camera, they released a new software update, firmware update, and with that firmware update, you'll be able to go onto the menu, like Bluetooth headphone menu, and it will give you, like, once you connect to this Insta360 transmitter, it gives you more than 10 options for the audio, which I will do another short video to demonstrate. And yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching.